Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a return on iPhone in Amazon Shopping app. Product update on Amazon and need to return this. If you're using an iPhone, Amazon makes the return process very simple. In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to restart a return step by step, even if your first time. Now, in today's video, I'll be using an Android device, but the point is the iPhone Shopping app and the Amazon Shopping app is pretty identical. So the same step you're gonna follow on your iPhone, you're gonna follow it on Samsung to return or start a return. So we're gonna start with the first thing, which is to open the Amazon Shopping app. You're gonna make sure to open your Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. And after that, you're gonna make sure you're logged into your correct account by clicking on your profile icon. Then you can verify your information here. After that, you're gonna select your orders. You're gonna click on the order section and you're going to be redirected to your orders. As you can see, if you have orders, you're going to see them underneath your orders section. So you're going to select here your orders and find the items you want to return. Once you find the item, it's going to be displayed here. You're going to click on it and tap the return or replace item. Make sure to choose this option, the return or replace item. And after that, you're just going to choose a reason. You can select the reason for the return. And after that, you're going to tap continue. Then you're going to select the return method. Amazon may offer drop-off location, pickup options, or shipping labels. So choose the option that works best for you, and starting a return on iPhone and Amazon Shopping is quick and stress-free. Just follow the steps and choose your return method, and Amazon handles the rest. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.